Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Now today we are going to be unboxing the OnePlus Buds Z. This is not going to be a review, this is just going to be the unboxing of these. The review is going to come later when I use these for a while so that I can get the full experience and then give you my honest opinions. Now I got these because my younger brother broke my previous headphones, so yeah. And also I was tired of using this. On the front of the box you got OnePlus Buds Z white. There's also a gray color in these, but they are never available anywhere, not on the OnePlus store or the Amazon store. Here you got a picture of the OnePlus Buds Z themselves. Yeah, the MRP here is giving rupees 3,190, but I got it for 3,000 rupees, and if you're out of India, it's gonna be around $50 or something. On the left, you do got some stuff written here: bass boost, 20 hours of battery life, water and sweat resistance, comfortable and cool design, seamless connection. So I don't think we need any knife or something to open this up. I'm just gonna pull this tab. Okay, so this was a complete failure. The seal just took off some of the part of the plastic and didn't remove it. Well, I guess we're going the old-fashioned way. So here's the box without the plastic wrapping. Now let's just open it up, and I think to do that you have to just... Yeah, I was too vigorous with it. Yep, here are the OnePlus Buds. Let's just keep them to the side and let's see what else comes in the box. We got this tab here. Let's just hope this tab goes well in the last one. Okay, so here we have some accessories, I think. I'm gonna just lift it up with this. Yeah, enjoy your new buds. Okay, thank you, OnePlus. Okay, we got some ear tips. What is happening in this unboxing? Why is it all a fail? Okay, so here's the safety and warranty card here. This is the other thing that flew out of here. I think this is the manual. Yes, let's get started. Here you get all the instructions and stuff. Oh, there's also another card here. Let me check it out. Yeah, this is the red cable club. Also have a USB Type-C. Yes, I'm glad that these are Type-C, man. They did not cut corners and get a goddamn micro USB. I'm glad for that. But this is a short cable. I'm gonna be using the Warp Charge cable that I have with my phone. Now, these are the buds. I think you open them for, another tab. God, I hope this tab is good. Yeah. So you got glossy plastic on the top here, OnePlus embossed logo. On the back you got some stuff written here, the charging voltages and amperes, whatnot. On the back you have a USB Type-C charging port, and here you have the reset button. I think when you open these up and you have a OnePlus device, they automatically, try to pair and stuff. So let me get my phone here. Obviously Raimi spider logo, because I'm a man of culture. I just opened these up. Let's just see if anything shows up. Okay, so this just lit up here. OnePlus Buds Z will be tired to tap to pair. Okay, so now it's connected. Gaming thanks OnePlus Buds Z. I'm gonna remove them and just show it to you. These are the buds themselves. They have the stem-like design so that they stay in your ears, and you have a type of silicone in-ear design. Here's the touchpad where you have the controls and whatnot. On the bottom, these are the microphones. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be giving you my honest review of these in a future video, so to see that, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell notification icon so that you may never miss out on any future content. The bell icon is important. If you don't hit that, you won't get any notifications, so it's like not subscribing at all. So please be sure to hit the bell notification icon. That's pretty much it. Stay safe everybody, and I'll see you next time.